So we're going to get started in just about 5 to 10 minutes. I'll come and grab you and we'll get it started real soon. Yes, sir. It does have the hybrid technology, so it's got the dual motors on the back. It's also got the V6. So it's a lot of fun. You're going to find it's extremely, extremely quick.
Oh.
This car picks up like a bat out of hell. Just like that. You got it, man. So now we're going to remove that parking brake.
Good to go with the manual mode?
Yes, sir. So whenever we hit that paddle, it'll put it into manual mode for us.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Are we good to go?
We're good to go. Let's do it. Go ahead and continue out straight ahead.
All right.
Awesome. So if we're going to be passed out there, you're good to go. Go ahead and follow down the blue.
All right.
If we're going to be passed, I'm going to turn on the blinkers and we're going to stay as far as we can to the left-hand side.
Oh,
You're going to pass us on the right. I'll turn off the blinkers, then we'll play catch.
All right.
Perfect, man. Awesome. So when we get to the end of the blue, we're going to go to the left.
Okay.
Go ahead and continue on out. Very nice. Awesome. And build up some acceleration for me. Go ahead and take it to a stop for just 1 second. We're going to let some traffic come and pass us by on the track.
All right.
Go ahead and downshift one time. And acceleration, go for it.
All right.
Upshift. Upshift. Very nice. We're going to ride this inside line and build up our throttle. Build it up, build it up. Acceleration on the left-hand side. Very nice.
Brake.
On that brake for me. Release that brake and coast. Take that right side, build it up.
All right.
Acceleration 20%, 40%. We're going to carry it tight to that left side with no gas now. So we're actually going to stay to the far left-hand side over on the blue, and we're going to let someone come and pass us on the right. Very nice. Awesome job. Awesome, man. So we've actually got one more of the race cars coming in, so we'll stay nice and slow here, and I'll get you on a lap forward in the future. We're just going to let them come and shoot on by us.
All right.
Perfect. They're coming in for the pass right now. 3, 2, 1. Phenomenal job, man. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Going to go to that left side. Full throttle out. Release the gas and coast. Full gas, left side. And a firm brake. Release that brake and turn. Very nice. 20% gas. 40% gas. 60% gas. 80% gas. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Full gas. Upshift. Stay on the gas. Keep it running. Upshift. On that right side. Upshift.
Right.
And a hard brake. Stay on it. Down 1. Down 2. Release and coast. Absolutely perfect on the brakes. Very nice. Full gas. No gas, and let the car settle on that right-hand side. Progressive acceleration now, 20%, and 40%, 60, 80, full gas, and the hard brake. Release and coast, very, very nice. Full throttle, no gas, tap on the brake, release and coast. Very, very nice. We're going to carry 30% gas on that right-hand side, nice and tight. 40, 60, 80, full throttle, upshift. Great job on the brake. Release and coast, great brake pressure. We can release a little bit earlier. And full gas. Lift off that gas and coast, full gas. And a hard brake. Release and coast. Phenomenal job on that brake pressure. 20%, 40%.
Brake are really
60%,
good.
80%, full gas. Yes, sir. Upshift. Very nice. Keep it running. Go, 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 go. Very, very nice. Stay on it, stay on it. Brake hard. Down 1, down 2. Stay on it and release and turn. No gas. Right on that edge there. Very nice.
Little bit.
We'll hold that brake a little longer. We'll get that fixed up. No problem.
All right.
20%, 40%.
Oh, it's really fun to drive.